Let me show you how to create these chibi AI dance videos, which are blowing up on social media right now. Just look at this Instagram page. These videos are getting 2 million views, 1 million views, and here we even have an almost 5 million view video. And almost every video on this Instagram page is over like 100,000 views. And this trend is not just happening on Instagram, it is also happening on YouTube. These types of viral dance animations are also getting millions of views here. Now, let's take a look at how much these AI channels are earning. For these kinds of YouTube shorts, YouTube pays around $0.15 per thousand views. Now that might seem low, but these videos easily get millions of views, as I have shown you. And for 1 million views, you are going to easily get around $150. And believe it or not, achieving 1 million views with these types of shorts is very easy. And I am also going to show you my workflow to create these videos in just a few minutes. Now, the first step to recreating these videos is getting their signature style correct. So to create the videos in this specific art style, I have created this high-quality professional prompt to specifically generate this chibi 3D art style, and I shall leave a link to this professional prompt in the pinned comment. Now, to use this prompt properly, what you're going to do is just copy this whole prompt, go to Google Gemini, paste in your prompt, and give our custom prompt for this type of image generation with the custom character that you want to create the image for. And as you can see, this is the image Nano Banana Pro here has created. This image here looks very good, and it exactly follows our art style that we want. Let's create another image in this art style here. Now, since we have given our custom prompt in this chat once, we don't need to give it again. We can just say, I want you to create another image in the same art style, but this time for a woman wearing a skirt and luxury designer clothing. And from that prompt, the AI model created this image. And as you can see, this image also looks really, really good. This image also follows the art style that we want properly. And this image can also be used to generate those dancing videos. Now that we have created a system to generate these types of images very easily, what we just need to do now is to generate the dance movements. Now, to generate these dance movements, we are going to be using the Kling Motion Control model in Higgsfield. If you don't know what Kling Motion Control is, then basically here you provide it with a reference video and an image. And from that reference video, it is going to animate the image exactly. So the way someone moves in the reference video is going to be the same way the character in the image moves. And I specifically like to use this AI model here because it does not distort the videos at all and creates stunning results like this. Now, we need to upload our images and video here. Let's first download our image from Google and upload it into Kling Motion Control, and then we just need to upload our reference video. Now, you can do the dance yourself and upload the video of yourself, and then the character is going to follow your dance movement, and that is going to help give your video originality. Another thing you can do is copy other dance videos from social media that have already gone viral and use them as reference for your videos. Now, I have already created some videos like this using Kling Motion Control here. So I am just going to use one of those videos as the reference to my video generation. And here you don't need to give any prompt after adding the reference video. You can just click on the generate option, and Kling Motion here is going to automatically start to generate your video. And this is the final video that Kling Motion Control was able to create. And as you can see, this looks really, really good. And there is almost no distortion in the video. And I also like the camera movements in this video. And the quality of this video is also very high. Now, I can't play the sound here, but you can just imagine what this video is going to look like with a trending audio. So right now, it is very easy to go viral on social media using AI, but not many people know about it. So taking advantage of this trend right now is going to be really, really easy. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.